Hey guys, the Go George here, back for another video. Today I got something. Sorry, now you can see me. I think I got something in the mail, and I would like to open it and show you guys what it is. So I ordered, or you'll see what it is, but let me just. There we go, and okay. So, and it is open. Oh, am I not on the camera? Okay, well, now I am. Okay, so, look at that, it's colorful. Aha! There it is. This. Basically, I have this set up here. Hold on, before I show you guys. I have this set up right here, which is a water container, as you can see. And then I ordered some of these. If you do not know what these are, I will tell you. These are spider plants, and they're just little plants, but they grow like they don't drop seeds. They grow. There's like this branch or whatever, and it grows off the main spider plant, and then it's the little spider plants grow off it. So I ordered some. I think I ordered 4. I might have ordered 3, but don't want to spend more. Oh, looks like we got a really big one. So here's one. Pretty small. Right here, put that. Just put it in there like that. And I'll wait for the roots to get bigger. The roots are already pretty big. Here's another one. Put that one there. Here is a third one. Roots are pretty small in that one, but they're also kind of decent. And it's okay if they get tangled up, because they'll be easy to untangle. Hold on, let me put this one in there better. Like, there we go, okay. Holy cannoli, look at this one. Those roots are like ready to be planted. Whoa, that's a big one. Not really fell off, but that's okay. I just put that in there. I think it's like that. And in a month or 2, those should be ready to be planted. It stinks. The leaf fell off, but that's okay. I'll go clean that up later. Put that over here. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So those are spider plants. I'll have videos of those upcoming in the future week, 2 weeks. I don't know. It depends on how long it takes for them to develop and the weather. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment on what videos I should do, because I don't really know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.